Hey everybody, today I'm going to be replacing the rear wheel drive cable on my Craftsman mower here. When I bought it, the guy told me that the hook on the bottom was broke, and I opened it up yesterday to find that indeed it was broken off. So we're going to be working on that today, and that is what I'm going to be using. I got a new drive cable. You're going to need a screwdriver with a T20 head on it, needle nose pliers, I have regular pliers if I need them, and a flathead screwdriver if I also need it. So I'll get to opening this thing up here and we'll see what we got. So first things first here, I'm going to take this piece off. This has the drive control, and as you can see there's no tension in the handle. So we'll need our T20 screwdriver. We're going to remove these two to loosen it off the handle. These two will pop the metal bracket here off. That way we can remove it all the way. And then this one will allow us to open up the inside of the case here. So I'll get that done and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I removed these three screws. That one was busted. So I didn't actually need to take that one off. You can see that it's missing up there on the top. So that removes the metal plate that allows you to take it off the handle. So we're going to take this screw out here, and that should allow us to pop this apart. Alright, so we got that off, and we can remove our handle here, and we're going to need to pop this off. So we'll take that out for right now. And if I can pop this out of here, and get that out. But that's the first step in getting our cable disconnected, is removing it from the handle. So I'll work on that, and we'll work our way to the bottom of the mower then. Alright, so I got that off. That wasn't too hard. This metal piece just pops out of that bracket there. So what we're going to do, our cable comes in here. There's a little boot that clips in. So what we'll have to do is we'll tip the mower up on its side, and we'll have to, let me see if I can do this and not make a mess. Get some support here. Alright, so I got that all supported now, and if I can get the flash light going on in here, there we go. Alright, so you can see up in there, that is our cable. No focus. So that cable's right up that's where the cable comes through. You can see the cable there. You can see that it is very broken on the end. So we're gonna have to pop this out, and I have a feeling it's gonna be a combination of this flathead screwdriver and the needle nose pliers. So let me see what we can work out here, and we'll come back. Alright, so after a little persuasion, I got it out. That's what it looks like. And by persuasion, I mean those two things. So it's already busted. There's no reason to save it. And instead of fighting with it and losing more gas out of the tank, because apparently the mower leaks gas, yeah, we just banged that out. So that's where we're going to be feeding it through. I did take this spring off. It's got to get hooked back up on here. You probably can't see that, but that's got to get hooked up on there. And then once we feed it through, there is a hole here that our spring's got to get connected to. So I'll open that up and start feeding that through. Alright, so I got it fitted fetted. I got it fed through there, hooked on here, got this spring reattached. Now I'll flip the lawnmower back upright and start connecting everything up at the top. Alright, so I got that cable plugged in there. That housing's good. They're clipped, not a housing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the new cable and work it into the handle up here. So unclip that guy. Clip this guy in. Pull that up. And that. That all clipped in there. Yeah. That guy a little bit tight. There we go. I have to adjust the tension on that a little bit. Maybe a lot of it. Go. Awesome. So that part's in there. Put this bad boy back onto there. Setting this guy up. Oh. And so feed this guy down through here, maybe. Nope, gonna need a new zip tie. So what we've got here, everything's zip tied. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably just cut that zip tie, grab a new one, throw it on there. But for the most part, this is pretty much a done job. Got everything back together in the housing here. We're going to put that back on the handle. And yeah, everything should be good. I hope this was helpful. Thanks. Bye.